Hi, we're solving a probability problem today. In a game of dice, the participants need to roll a dice twice. So we are rolling the dice 2 times. If it is a prime number, then they receive $2. So if they are getting a prime number in the die, we know that prime numbers between 1 to 6 are 2, 3, and 5. So if they get a prime number, then they are actually receiving $2. If it is a composite number, then they need to pay $3. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers are numbers which can be formed by multiplying two numbers, and composite numbers will have at least one factor apart from 1 and the number itself. So let's write down the numbers from 1 to 6. 1 is not a composite number. 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3. 4 is a composite factor because it can be formed by multiplying 2 and 2. And it has one factor 2, which is apart from 1 and 4. 5 is a prime number, so not a composite number. 6 is also a composite number, right? So we have two possible cases of composite number. And when that happens, we need to pay $3. If it is neither, then they receive $4. So only number left is 1. So if they are getting a 1, they actually receive $4. Now, what is the probability that a participant wins a net amount of $1? Now we are rolling two dice, right? And we have to get a net amount of $1. So if we get a 1 and any of these numbers, we will end up with 4 minus $3 or a net amount of $1. So that means we need to find probability of getting a 1 or probability of getting a 4 or a 6 in the first or the second dice roll. Now that means we can get 1 in the first roll and we can get 4 or 6 in the second roll, or we can get 4 or 6 in the first roll and get 1 in the second roll. So if you have to get 1 in the first roll, there's only one possible case out of the 6 cases. So probability will be 1 by 6. If you have to get a 4 or a 6 in the second roll, two possible cases out of 6. Similarly, in the first roll, if you have to get a 4 or a 6, then 2 by 6. And if you have to get 1 in the second roll, it is 1 by 6. So total number of cases will be 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 36, or will be equal to 4 by 36, or will be equal to 1 divided by 9. And answer will be option number A. Now, if you want to master the concept of probability of rolling a dice and want to solve similar problems, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.